afternoon. Boy, we are getting going on studying purple. I love coming up with good names to name my quilts. Oh boy. Okay, so this is the purple quilt and we are making good progress on it. It's also called Adrienne's quilt and it is from Connecting Threads. And it's a kit and there's what we're gonna make. And doggone it, we are almost there. Let me show you the different blocks. This is the last two, and this is called the corner, block number 2 corner. Yeah, only 2 of them. Now, why would there only be 2 corners? I don't know, but these are the last 2 blocks that need to be put together. Let me push those out of the way, and I'll show you the ones we've gotten done. These are going to be sashings that go between all the blocks. So you can see these, there's 7 of these. These are the center blocks. Aren't they pretty? I just love them. Now these are slightly different. These are the edge blocks. You can see that the white is on the edges here and the purple's up here in the corners. Again, these are the dark star in the middle, I call them, dark star blocks. Then we have, oh, I forget how many those are, 12 or 13 of them, and you can see that some of them have purple corners, some have white corners, but you know, they're all numbered and labeled. Well, actually, I didn't label these, that's why I can't tell you, but they're ready to go together. What we can do is I can go ahead and sew this up real quick. Well, maybe what we'll do is just, I think the next one is going to be putting these sashings together. And here's P, alphabet P, and they go with these, I believe it is. Yeah, it says to D, 12.5 inch strips by 2, and you sew 4 of them together. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them together with using 4 of these, and you make 4 of those. Nope, 5. So those are sashing strips 2 by 66. And those are the ones that go between the rows from top to bottom. And then the sashing strips that go between each of these blocks, those are here also. So we're getting pretty close. And the next time you see the movie, it's going to be assembly. And I don't have my assembly wall or my quilt wall done yet. My where you can, oh, you know, I don't have one of those yet. I've been talking about it, but I have not made one. I think that's all we're going to talk about on this video. How are you doing? Are you working on things? This is such a sunny day. I'm planning to head over to my daughter's house and be with my grandson for a couple hours. And then get started tackling my regular work day for tomorrow and the next day. So it's good to talk with you, but I think we're making excellent progress on the purple, studying purple, and it's time for me to get going on my Hunter's Dream quilt because that is going to be for my grandson, and he asks me every time I see him, how are we doing, Grandma? Have you started, Grandma? What are we doing on? And so I showed him my Hunter's Dream movie and had him watch it on my phone when I picked him up. So he knows I've got the blocks picked out and cut. Okay, so that's all today for Adrienne's, or in what I called it, a study in purple. So we're almost done. Talk to you next time. Bye.